Hello, and welcome to our journey through the vibrant heart of Ethiopia. Today, we're exploring the incredible city of Addis Ababa, a place brimming with history, culture, and a spirit that's truly one of a kind. Forget what you think you know, because we're about to dive deep into the real Addis, uncovering the stories and experiences that make this city so special. Our adventure begins in the bustling streets, where the aroma of freshly roasted coffee fills the air. Did you know Ethiopia is the birthplace of coffee? Here, the coffee ceremony is more than just a drink. It's a cherished social ritual, a symbol of hospitality and friendship that brings people together. Join a local family for a traditional ceremony and taste what might just be the best coffee of your life. It's an experience that connects you directly to the heart of Ethiopian culture. From there, we'll wander through the Mercato, one of Africa's largest open-air markets. It's a sensory explosion. The vibrant colors of hand-woven textiles, the intricate patterns of traditional jewelry, the scent of artisans at work, and the lively energy of the crowd. It's an unforgettable spectacle. This is where the city's pulse is strongest. A place where you can find everything from spices and produce to incredible handmade crafts. We'll meet some of the talented local artisans and hear the stories behind their beautiful creations. As evening approaches, Addis Ababa transforms. The city comes alive with the electrifying sounds of Ethiopian jazz. We're heading to a local Amharic, a traditional music club where poet singers perform with incredible wit and skill. Accompanied by the mesmerizing sounds of the Masenko and Kra, the music tells tales of love, life, and Ethiopian history. It's a powerful and soulful experience, showcasing the incredible artistic talent that thrives in this city. This is the perfect way to feel the rhythm of Addis and connect with its modern, creative soul. Our journey will also take us to some of the city's most significant landmarks. We'll visit the National Museum of Ethiopia, home to Lucy, the world-famous fossil discovery that changed our understanding of human history. Standing in the presence of these ancient remains is a truly humbling experience, connecting us to our shared human origins, right here in the cradle of humankind. We'll also explore the Holy Trinity Cathedral, an architectural marvel and a deeply important spiritual center. Its stunning stained glass windows and beautiful architecture tell stories of Ethiopia's rich faith and history. It's a peaceful and awe-inspiring place that offers a moment of reflection amidst the city's hustle and bustle. But the true beauty of Addis Ababa is its people. Throughout our tour, we'll focus on the inspiring stories of community leaders, entrepreneurs, and artists who are shaping the future of this dynamic city. We'll visit community projects and social enterprises that are empowering local residents, particularly women and young people, creating positive change from the ground up. Meet the resilient and forward-thinking individuals who are the true heart of Addis Ababa's strength and progress. This is a city of incredible contrasts and profound depth. It's a place where ancient traditions and modern innovations live side by side. Our 2025 tour is all about discovering the authentic character of Addis Ababa, celebrating its rich cultural heritage, and connecting with the inspiring people who call it home. It's about looking beyond the surface and finding the real stories of resilience, creativity, and hope. Join us for a journey that will open your eyes and touch your heart. Let's explore the true spirit of Addis Ababa together. A city that's writing a new, exciting chapter in its long and fascinating history. Thank you so much for watching and sharing this journey with us. Inspired to discover the rich culture and vibrant life of Addis Ababa, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you soon.